What to do when food tastes too salty? Before throwing the food out and starting over, there are a number of steps you can take to balance the flavors. First, you can try to add more liquid. By adding more liquid, this will help you dilute the saltiness of the dish. Adding a liquid such as broth water or coconut milk to help balance the salt. When using broth low sodium or salt-free is ideal. The next thing you can do is add a starch like rice, bread, or potatoes. This will help absorb some of the salt in the dish, or serving the dish over a bed of a starch. Next, you could try adding vinegar, lemon, or tomato juice. This can also help cut the saltiness of the dish. When adding anything to the salted dish, only add a little at a time so you can taste for the flavor balance. Last, you can try adding a bit of honey, or sugar, or some other sweetener that can help soften the saltiness. If you were using canned or salted meat and are trying to remove the salt from meat, there are a few things you can try as well. Soaking the meat in water for several hours and changing the water frequently to help reduce the amount of salt. Along with soaking, you can do the same with rinsing the salted meat. You can try marinating the meat in a vinegar and water mix or with lemon juice to help with the saltiness. Lastly, you can boil the meat to help with getting the salt out. Removing too much salt or boiling the salt out of the meat too long may end up removing some of the meat's natural flavor.